Hey guys, so I wanted to come back because I was just going to talk about really briefly like how Vlogmas has been going. It's been a lot. I'm not going to lie to you. It's been a lot. I feel like I've done better in terms of like pre-recording because I said it earlier, but still it's like sometimes I'm just like I can't wait for it to be over in a sense, because it's just like it's a lot of, I feel like the hardest part is really not even filming. It's more so the editing takes the longest part. And then it's like editing it on time for it to go up for the following day. It's like that's really the hassle of it all. At least for me right now. But the biggest issue right now is not so much doing that. It's more so trying to be like on all the platforms that I have. Now I'm still a small content creator, but I kind of feel like I want to say it's like a dream, but it's something, because I've said before, it's something that I see myself continuing doing, whether it's with the YouTube, Instagram, just being an influencer in general. I feel like I'm on that work habit of being just like the bigger YouTubers in terms of trying to make sure I schedule my posts and be consistent on all my platforms. Now that is definitely a hard thing to do. I can't even lie. Like, especially with whether it be Instagram. Like Instagram, when I first started, I feel like I was almost posting like every day, and then now it's kind of like if I do post, sometimes I don't post because I don't know exactly what I want to post. I've had this tool and I need to really save it like somewhere in my laptop. I found this free tool. I forgot where I found it from, but it's in my email. I'll leave it down below if anybody's interested. But it's kind of just like helping you word your captions, because sometimes I feel like I'm saying the same thing over and over, so it just gives you like different ways you can add your captions, different things you can try. So like, let's say, so the standard for me as natural, like on Mondays I kind of changed it up this week. So one thing that has been useful though, I've been doing this since only October. Can you believe it? Just October. I wasn't doing it before. Is using my notes, and I'll pretty much pre-write what my caption will be for the day and the hashtags. Like I literally go through Instagram and see the best hashtags I should use and what I want to talk about in the post. I did it for 3 days consecutively. I still need Thursday and Friday. Friday normally it's Fro days, or if I find there's something else I want to talk about on Friday, then I'll change it up. Mondays are normally like Mass Monday, or I'll change it up as well. Like this Monday I did Wellness Monday. Today I just posted Texture Tuesday. Wednesday I already have in mind I'm going to do Wet Curl Wednesday. But also people do Women Crush Wednesday. Is that it? Yeah, that's another one people do. Thursday is like Throwback Thursday, or whatever you want to do, but normally it's like Throwback Thursday. Normally I kind of try to change it up, so it'll be like Throwback Thursday Natural Hair Tradition. Like I've done that before, and I'll show my natural hair like when I first cut it. Or Throwback Thursday could be a picture of you as a child. Throwback Thursday, it's up to you. You as a content creator have to kind of like gauge what you want to put on there. On the Fridays, normally, like I said, Fro day, or if I have something else that I want to talk about, I'll do that on Friday. Now I try to be consistent at least from Monday through Friday. Saturday and Sunday is like, if it's kind of like, or if or but. It doesn't always happen because I might not have anything to post. Like Sundays though, if I do Sundays, it's normally like self-care Sundays. So it'll be something like a skincare related thing most likely. I did just try today. If you did not see my Marshall's haul, I just tried the Hydra Boost gels today. I can't really say do I love it or not, because it's just the first day. As time progresses, I will see if I like it or not. The lotion that I had before that I got to test out, I finished it quicker than I thought I was. I thought it was going to be done, last for a long time, but I guess not. So that's really why I wanted to get a new thing, and I got the Hydra Boost gel. But so far, just from using it this morning, I like the feel of it and the consistency. Like I said, it has hyaluronic acid. And I know I tried another product before, the Inky List, the serum, and I liked it. It had a hyaluronic acid, so I feel like I'm going to like this as well. But only time will tell how I truly feel about the product. And then, yeah, I think that was all I was going to say. I feel like I had something else to say, but I can't remember. Oh, yes. So you guys remember I was talking about, like, that was like Vlogmas Day 1. But about This Is Us. Yesterday I just so happened to go, like, looking I was trying to find something to watch, to be honest, because sometimes I feel like I've just been repeating movies and shows and stuff like that, whether it's on Netflix, Disney Plus, or whatever, Freeform. Because I have a Roku, so I just have all the apps that I want to watch. I have not watched regular TV since, I think, the presidential debate. Like, I don't watch news. I don't like news. I get it from social media, if anything, relevant. But anyway, so in regards to This Is Us, I just saw it doesn't come back to January 5th. So that's why I couldn't find the show. Now it makes sense why. I was like, because to me, I was like, how you just have a Thanksgiving episode and it's over? But yeah, then I read, I was like, it's right there in bold, Abigail. January 5th. So yes, it won't be coming back until January 5th. So yeah, I'm just trying to find something good. I feel like I don't know what to watch anymore. I watched Canvas. So Canvas, if you have Netflix, Canvas is pretty much an animated little short film that they put up, which it was really good. My thing was, I thought it was like a whole movie at first, and then when I went to actually look on it, I was like, oh, this is just a 9-minute thing. Oh, but it was good. I already watched Jingle Jangle. I don't know, like I was trying to I try my best to support everybody. So yeah, I just don't know what to watch anymore. I was back and forth between like all these different networks. I'm like, what to watch? I mean, there was a few Christmas movies, old ones that I liked, or other holiday related movies that I was watching. Here's the thing. Normally during this time, I like to also watch Hallmark movies, but sometimes it's hard to find Hallmark movies unless you have depending on, because it's different for everybody. Some Hallmark movies might be on other app platforms, but some might not be. I don't know why I've always liked Hallmark movies, but I normally around this time I like to look for the Hallmark Christmas movies, and they might be the same storyline, but I like to watch those. So I normally would watch that, but there's no Hallmark movies on Netflix. And I do have the Hallmark app, but they're very limited on the Hallmark movies on the Hallmark app. So if you don't watch it on physical TV, you might not get it. You might not get the exact movies or different. You won't get a plethora of movies. You'll just get a couple of movies. They literally have maybe 10 to 15 movies on the app. So yeah, but yeah. Hey guys, so I wanted to quickly show you guys the Beauty Rashida Scalp Energizing Oil that I mentioned that I was going to use on my sister to help grow with her edges. This is what her edges look like currently. I will give you guys an update, but it pretty much says to use this every day or at least 3 times a week. But those are what her edges look like. I chose this specific oil because a lot of people, the customers, were saying that they like this and it helped with the edges. So I will give you an update soon on this product. But yes, and it smells really good, that I will say, and it has aerated curve and a lot of different oils that I can actually pronounce. So I think that was good about this product. So we'll see how it goes. Enough of my talking. I think this time now I will end it saying comment. Make sure you comment down below. You hit the subscribe button. And you hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next Vlogmas.